I saw something in you. I really expected you to be compliant.
When this defendant admitted cutting off his monitor and making no progress while on probation, the judge explained he had failed him and could not be given any more chances.
Judge, in mitigation, I think when you inquire of Mr. Brinson today, you're going to hear an individual that is upset that he let you down, and perhaps even more importantly, upset that he let himself down and didn't follow your orders. He accepts and acknowledges the wrongfulness of his conduct. I think, while certainly not excusing the behavior, I think when you inquire of him, it'll give some insight into why he did what he did. We would respectfully, and I know he's asked it of you in correspondence, request that he be restored to a period of community control.
First, I'm going to take accountability for what I did, but I think it was like moving fast to get out. I was at a great auntie house that I just met when I was 15, and she was just basically all about money. So when I went there, I was on house arrest still. I had to finish school, GED, and do the outpatient, so it was just a lot. But with her, she wanted money. Then she got to acting weird when I ain't had the money. Like, she'd just make a whole meal and just say some weird stuff like, everybody eat before he eat. So, and then my cousin, I was doing good. I got a curfew. I was making it back. My cousin, said she was gonna come get me. The last 30 minutes came, and she told me I had to find another way. But by the time I found another way, I was late. So that's when Miss Fisher took my curfew away. That day I just got mad and just lost it and just took it off. I think if I can get another chance to get probation, I know I'll be all right.
Brinson, if you recall, when I sentenced you, the prosecutor's office wanted me to send you to prison. Anytime we have a failure to comply, they are always asking that I send people to prison. I saw something in you. I really expected you to be compliant. I gave you that opportunity, but on this type of charge, you don't get a second chance, third chance. Just looking at the notes here, you cut off your monitor in January of 2025. So for 10 months, you did nothing, haven't completed any of my orders that I can see. So again, if you're having difficulty, then you reach out for help. You don't just make it worse by cutting off your monitor. That's the absolute worst thing you can do. At this time, the court is going to make a finding that you are no longer amenable to community control in prisons as necessary to fulfill the purposes and principles of sentencing, including punishment, deterrence, and protection of the public. On the failure to comply, the court is going to order you to serve 24 months in prison.